but very, very strong audio. Mimmo, what is your microphone there? Very, very nice audio, over.
Yes, thank you for the radio report, Martin. This is a very special microphone. This is a Sierra Mic 6 for Icon. The very little microphone, dynamic microphone, Martin. But I very good 16 TC Icon 746. Has very good moderation. I listen in my monitor. Has very, very good box reflex in this moment, Martin.
Roger, Mimmo, no problem. Yeah, well, as I say, it sounds very, very nice. It suits the radio to a T. It suits the radio to a T. Well, Mimmo, WX this side today there. WX there, it's just raining now. It wasn't a bad day. It is raining. Temperatures are in around maybe 13°C, and it's the clouds are just grey. I think it's just going to be a wet night. QSO.
QSO, Martin. Many thanks for little information by the WX. But here is very strong. We are over 13 degrees. It's very nice for this site. And 15 division, this is not normal. But it's very nice for me. 13 degrees. Okay, Martin, Roger.
Roger, remember, yeah, no problem at all. Yeah, but we can get it like that. We can't sleep there. When we get temperatures like this, we find it very hard to sleep there. It is very humid there, You couldn't get a breath. You've windows opening, one thing and another, fans blowing. But then, sure, it's hard to keep us all happy, Mimmo. Hard to keep us all happy. Just for my log, my friend, what is your city name? My city name, I live in a little town called Antrim. I will spell for you like Alpha, November, Tango, Radio, India, Mike. I say that is the town is Antrim, and as I say, we're just 12-15 k's northwest of Belfast. Over.
Roger, Martin. Antrim. Okay. You are in my log. Your call. No problem. I am living on 32 kilometers northport from capital city, November. Northwest port from capital city. I living in my home in this moment, and 4 years before I living in capital city, Mr. Martin. Very nice to you. You copy us. This is incredible. You feel 9 plus 20 unit mobile in this moment, Martin. Roger.
Negative, my friend. Negative. We are just parked up here. I am just parked up there, just outside the town of Antrim. I am just parked here on the side of the road and decided to give you a little call. But you're 7-9 and sometimes over it there. Just the needle in this radio is a little on the tight side, but your BBC quality there, Mimmo, you're sounding very nice there. 018 048, over.
Okay, Roger, Martin. No problem when you send a QSL card for me, no problem. I confirm this is contact, Martin. My coordination in Alpha Tango group is 100%, or in qz.11.com. It's my coordination. It is correct 100%, Mr. Martin. Many thanks for calling my station, and I send you the best regard and the best 73, Martin. I wish you here and the next time, and so bad condition, Marty. Very nice copy in 6-8 division. 15 Alpha Tango 018, 6-8 Whiskey Radio 048.
Okay, Mimmo, thank you very much, sir, for the very nice QSO. Absolutely booming there, and no QRM, no QSB on your signal right through there. Okay, Mimmo, best 7.3s, my friend. Good luck, good DX, and most important, I wish you good health to you and your family, my friend. 15AT018 68 World Radio 048/mobile clear. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Marty. Nice weekend.
Likewise, bye.